Welcome back, guys. Good morning. Today is January 23. So it's officially my second week here in Greece for this road to pilot journey. So nakita nyo for the past week, nagpo-post ako, nag-story ako na nasa simulator na dinadala na kami sa simulator. So that simulator is simulating the real world, the actual aircraft. So para magkaroon ako ng basic fundamentals on how to start up the aircraft, to do the reading of the instruments, the checklists. And today is quite special because today is gonna be my first official flying sa totoong aircraft as pilot monitoring. So basically, hindi na ako as a commercial passenger today. So dito ako sa school ngayon, kararating lang. Kunin ko lang yung isa kong classmate na kasabay kong magpapalipad today kasi may may slot ang flying. So pag hindi mo napuntahan or naubusan ka, good luck, next time ka ulit. So from here we will drive 1 hour to Megara Airport. It's still in Greece but medyo mas malayo. So mostly yung airport na yun is for flying students. Walang malalaking aircraft, puro karamihan is for smaller aircraft, tsaka plane, tsaka helicopter that's for schooling. So ayun, dito na tayo sa school. Hintayin lang natin siyang dumating, then we're going.
Και να σου πω και κάτι, εσύ πιστεύεις δηλαδή αν ανοίξει ειδικά ένα δελτίο ειδήσεων ότι αυτοί που τελικά έκαναν οικογένεια ήταν όλοι τους για να κάνουν οικογένεια? Εμένα δεν με πείθει αυτό.
So now guys, we're entering SLEX. I'm with my Captain Naim. Captain.
Hi guys.
Dito na tayo sa Megara. Na-move yung flight schedule. So from 9 na-move kami ng 11. So ito na yung city. Kakain muna kami. Sarado pa yung mga kebaban tsaka yung mga yan mga kebab. So tinatinapay muna. So ayun guys, dito na tayo sa Megara Airport. It's 1 hour drive from the place where I stay. So ayun, andito lahat ng, hindi naman lahat, andito karamihan ng flying school sa Greece. Weather, maaraw na sobrang lamig, kaya dalawa yung suot ko. Yeah, karamihan din ng hangar na medyo mamahalin nandito. So ayan yung sa Airbus, sa una-unahan yung sa Cessna. And ito yung mga aircrafts. Usually yung mga aircraft na nandito are for flying schools. Cessna, Piper, Diamond 40, yan yung mga typical na aircraft dito. So mostly single engine kasi nga mga students pa. Pero meron ding mga dual engine, mga multi-engine kung tawagin. Helicopters dito na nag-training. So ayun, papunta na ako sa hangar ng school, sa Jetstream hangar. Magpe-prepare na ng flight plan, tsaka gagawa na kami ng pre-flight checks sa aeroplano. And yeah, mostly flight planning today and familiarization dun sa aircraft since baguhan ako. Kaya na guys, may lumilipad, no? Let's go! Where's the Jetstream aircraft? Aywa. Where?
Yeah, this one.
This one, no?
This one. Right.
You are in AI.
Yes.
Are you?
Yes.
Amazing. Fuel tank.
Uh-huh.
So you open. Okay. Slowly. You see fuel?
No, no
Come
fuel.
to this side. See fuel?
No.
Oil. Here. See the liter?
Up.
First you clean it and check the next second.
Right. Okay. So close this one. Apply to the right. Keep it. Leave it. All there, all green. You see, all green. Everything is okay. So we are going. Clear for takeoff. 26 left with left turn overhead 1,500 Bravo. Okay. So look outside. Everything is closed. All there, all green. You see, all green. Everything is okay. So we are going. Okay. Add power. Release the brakes. Don't apply. Heels on the floor. Heels on the floor. Okay. Close down. Close down. Power set.
Power.
Okay. And you speed right next to in the aircraft for the center.
Uh-huh.
You can speed. In the line. 60 rotate. Up, up, pull up, pull up. Up, up. Give it like this. Give it. We are going over there. Some more power. To the right, to the right. Okay. No more power. Keep it on the center line. With the
So ayun na guys, tapos na tayo sa ating first flying experience. Pucha, ang dami mong iniisip, ang dami mong chine-check eh. Pero okay siya, nakakatuwa. Malayo sa kotse guys. So ayan, magde-debrief muna kami. Tapos yung next pilot na. See you on the next vlog.